everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for green chili sour cream enchiladas. These enchiladas are filled with seasoned chicken and topped with a cheesy sour cream enchilada sauce. They make a great weeknight meal because they are easy to make and are sure to be a hit with your family. Please take a minute to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. For the enchilada filling, 1 medium diced onion, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cups of cooked chicken, 1 can of Rotel tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, 2 cups of shredded cheese, and 8 8-inch flour tortillas. For the sour cream enchilada sauce, you'll need 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 15-ounce can of chicken broth, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies. Start by making the chicken filling. In a large skillet over medium heat, add olive oil and diced onion. Sauté until the onions are softened and lightly browned for about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and sauté for 30 seconds more. Add the cooked chicken, rotel, and taco seasoning to the skillet and stir to combine. Cook until heated through. Turn off the heat and add 1/2 cup of shredded cheese to the chicken mixture and stir until it's melted. Set aside. Next, make the sour cream enchilada sauce. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Whisk in the flour and cook for 1 minute, stirring occasionally. Slowly pour in the chicken broth while whisking until the mixture is smooth and thickened for about 2 minutes. Stir in the cumin, salt, pepper, sour cream, and chopped green chilies. Cook the enchilada sauce until it is heated through for about 2 more minutes. Then add 1/2 cup of cheese and stir until it is melted. To assemble the enchiladas, cover the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish with enchilada sauce. Then place a heaping spoonful of the chicken mixture into the center of each tortilla. Roll up the tortillas and place seam side down in the prepared baking dish. Pour the remaining sauce over the rolled up enchiladas and spread it out evenly with a spatula. Top with the remaining 1 cup of cheese. Bake the enchiladas at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbling. Let the enchiladas cool for about 5 minutes before serving. I hope you enjoy these sour cream enchiladas as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.